Hello friends, welcome to SQL Server tutorial. In this video, we will see how to enable or disable resource governor. We can enable or disable resource governor via TSQL, or you can use SQL Server Management Studio. So the TSQL is given below, and if you see, to enable resource governor, we have to run the below statement, alter. So that's the alter statement, alter resource governor reconfigure. So if you see, this will enable it. There is no separate keyword which states enable, so we will simply state alter resource governor reconfigure and it will enable it. So alter resource governor, and for disable you can specify the keyword disable. So reconfigure will enable it, and this will disable the resource governor. Alright, now we will go to demo and see how to enable or disable the resource governor using SQL Server Management Studio. Alright, now we are in SQL Server, and if you expand the node management, we'll be seeing a resource governor. So that's the resource governor node, and the int mark here states that resource governor is at present in disabled state. Now to enable it, right click and choose enable here, and once it is enabled you will see the icon will change there. That's all. Now resource governor is enabled, and if you want to disable, you can right click and choose disable. The same way you can use TSQL as well. Here if you see, at present the resource governor is in disabled state, right? Execute this TSQL and it will enable it. You have to do the refresh, and you can see the resource governor is enabled, and you can do disable also using the TSQL. Right, so that's the way you can enable and disable the resource governor. So just now you saw the demo. Thank you for watching. Bye.